Hey guys, we are in Cabo San Lucas, and along with our hotel upgrade to a villa, we got a free round of golf, which this is a world-class golf resort, Quivira, and it's an all-inclusive golf course. So what that means is that there's stops along the way where there's beer and liquor and food, and basically what that means...
They gave us 6 beers and her a double shot at the first hole.
And there's food, and so I don't golf, so I just ride along. You can pay a little bit to ride along, and that's what I do. I just eat and drink and have fun. Greg golfs, but...
I don't golf, but I'm going to golf.
He's not very good at it, so this is our video showing you 2 dirtbags on a world-class golf resort.
She's wearing my shirt.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to popularize manly golf clothes for women because they require a collared shirt, which I have 0 of in the van. So I'm wearing Greg's. Looks good, don't it?
Hole 1 obstacles.
We've got a bit of construction on the golf course, aka a dump truck. So we're just waiting to see if he's gonna move or if we have to play over it.
And then the sprinklers are going.
Yeah. First hole, we're looking for the ball already.
I hit it right.
We didn't see where it landed because there's a bunch of trees in the way, so
I blame it on the dump truck.
We're gonna go
and
look
the guys
for
in the ditch hole. I'm gonna go for par from out here in the bushes. Ah, it might have been okay.
You're on the grass. Aha!
7 for 4 is not bad.
Guys, the first time I ever saw a Roadrunner was on this course when we first played it several years ago.
Oh, he's pissed. Hook him up. You're supposed to go faster than that, Roadrunner. Like a fast ground bird you are.
Hole 4, par 5. How are we doing?
Was that my 5th?
Yeah.
I was going for the hole on the 5th stroke, and I haven't been hitting very far today. I only have 120 to the pin. Hit my 9-iron, gave it a good probably 150-yard stroke out into the forest. So we're gonna go look for it.
Ball hunting in the bushes. There's one here. It's not our ball, but we're gonna use it.
Play where it lies. We got this. Woo! Went long.
All right. Well, we're back on the course.
Maybe.
It was a bit of a challenge. 10 strokes.
Out of 5.
5.
5.
It's all right.
First year we went on this course, the cars were really fast. And then they figured out they should probably slow them down because they were out of control. Now it's the second heat.
All right, we're at hole 5, which is the Cliffs station, which you get some refreshments, some food. We're gonna get some cocktails, and then you can hang out and whale watch and see the beautiful view. It's one of the best stops on the course. Hole 5 is, oh, there's your blue.
Hole 5 is a blind hole.
It's also one of the coolest holes on this whole course.
No.
Yeah, no it is.
There are whales.
This is the coolest one.
There's the green.
What did it say?
This is very steep downhill. Please drive with caution or reduce speed and hit the jump. The speed bump. Go pace. Just turned off. Yeah, we can find that. Retrieval and watermelon collection.
Foraging on world-class golf courses.
Dirtbags, go golfing.
That's a nice shirt you got there. Part of the movie Troy was filmed in this location.
At hole 7. Sorry, we're at hole 9 beverage food station. This one's like the biggest one. How's the game going so far, Greg?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got.
Yeah,
Ooh.
we already showed him the watermelon.
Yeah, but we should
No, it'll fall out. And
Feel
then
good
it'll
about it. Lock
fall.
it in there.
No, babe.
lock it in there.
It's gonna bounce out and then it's gonna.
It's okay for now.
All right, we got refilled at beverage and food station at hole 9. They had some al pastor tacos, which were really more like carnitas with pineapple, and then chicken fajita tacos, which were pretty good. And then we got refilled on beverages, and Greg is
Just walking around in the sand.
retrieving a ball. So now we're on hole 9. With how many drinks we have had, the game is only gonna get better from here. Oh,
Pretty
that's
bird.
a kestrel. Oh my god.
Anyway.
I've always wanted to see a kestrel.
Well, they have.
You guys, the North American kestrel is the smallest bird of prey. And they're beautiful. I've never been able to see one. There's one, it's here.
I'm going to get him. My first one was actually the best, but then I was determined to try and get one. I lost one.
Hole 15. How's the game going so far?
I took the wrong way on the last hole and went about 6 strokes in the hole.
These shoes are full of sand.
Yeah, I went through the sand. I said the last time I played I really enjoyed that hole, but this time I just literally just went through the sand the whole way.
So is the party shirt and the extra beers helping, you think?
I feel like I've had some good strokes lately, so yeah, overall I'd say so.
I think my score on the last hole was actually better than Greg's. I wasn't counting, but
She was.
I pretty much killed it. All right, you guys, I don't like golf, but I've been playing a couple holes here because I've been drinking a lot and who cares? So I'm 2 strokes into a 4-stroke, 4-par, whatever, hole, and look at where I am. I'm gonna try to putt this bitch in. I got it. Birdie.
Going for par.
Greg just started drinking margaritas. He probably should have been drinking them the whole time. Instead he's been slamming beers, but I've been having vodka tonics and I've been doing great.
The beer's like water down here though. Because I mean, I have to be 10 or 12 in, seriously.
Yeah. This is the biggest watermelon we've seen. Here, hold it.
I'll put it in the middle of the cart path. The gentleman behind us just, oh,
Bucks.
it's okay, put it in the middle of the cart path anyways. The guy behind us just picked one and was excited.
And we told them ours was bigger.
Ours is way bigger, but that was even bigger.
Oh, they're on the green though, like they know how to golf. I got it.
Did you hear it? Legitimately though, no cheating. I got a birdie. Is it a birdie?
Yeah, she got a birdie.
I got a birdie on the last hole. I did try, but I'm like, I don't know how many drinks in. What'd you get? We're counting my score as Greg's because we're a team.
I think I got 7.
It's a 3. Oh, so close. What?
Burnout. Stand in front of it and hold it.
Hold what?
Get down the side, just stand in front of it so it doesn't know. You ready?
Yeah.
You feel good?
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna hold it like that.
There's no way I can hold it, babe. Just drive the cart.
Alright, ready?
Yes. Or you can put the brakes on it. Don't make me hold it.
I've tried it.
Oh.
I've been trying everything. You ready? Burn
Yes.
out.
Go.
Watermelon!
More
Oh,
watermelons.
we got a good one right here. It's gonna be good. No, not the watermelon.
Oh.
Watermelon.
This is what happens. Greg makes me walk. Hole 18, right through
Over the river, through the woods.
Sewage River. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. You hit that on purpose.
We put him just high enough to high center the whole time. Oh, we're killing it. Speed it up a little bit.
Okay.
Woo! That's pretty good.
Greg forgot that he teed off already. And there's people waiting. Oh boy. Greg is a little drunk.
No.
Excellent work. Excellent work. Same. Wow, babe. Oh my god. No, it was so close. I think it almost went in. Seriously.
2.5 feet per par. 2.5 feet.
Okay. English is his first language, folks.
3 feet per par.
Okay, take your time. Oh man.
For bogey.
It's in! 18 holes!
Hold on. Quivira golf club.
Quivira golf course!
The guys behind us are ready to the green. They're eyeing us right now.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you, guys.
We had a great time, obviously, as you can tell. Please like, comment, subscribe. We love your support. Thanks for watching.
Peace. Whales out there.
Woo! Yeah. That's not good, huh?
That's good.